living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better.
Showbiz Kachika TV.
Hello mga kachika! Last 3 days nga May 6, 2024 ay ginanap nga ang kasalan ng mag-asawang Aba Diaz and Lucia Nirato sa Puglia, Italy. At ito nga ay dinaluhan ng kanilang mga malalapit na mga kaibigan at syempre kamag-anak sa loob at labas ng showbiz industry. At marami nga sa mga netizens ang talaga namang natutuwa nga sa pamilya na ito dahil talaga namang full support nga ang kanyang mga It Girls na pinsan at kapatid na sila Georgina Wilson, Jess Wilson, Nicole Anderson, at syempre Isabel Daza. Pero ang kinatuwaan nga ng lahat ay si Isabel Daza dahil talaga namang hindi na nga niya napigilan ang paghagulhol at pag-iyak nang malapit na ngang magmarcha ang kanyang little sister para nga ikasal sa asawa nito na si Lucia Nirato. Na kahit nga ang makeup artist na si Jelly Eugenio ay talaga namang nakikiusap kay Belle na tumigil na sa pag-iyak dahil magmamarcha na nga ang kanyang little sister na si Aba. Nag-iisang kapatid na babae nga ni Belle si Aba kaya naman gano'n na nga lang ang kanyang reaksyon nang ikakasal na nga ang kanyang little Aba. At the same time ay nakakatuwa rin dahil full support nga siya sa kanyang kapatid sa pag-aayos ng gown at lahat-lahat nang ito nga ay magmamarcha na sa simbahan. At alam naman ng lahat na super witty nga si Isabel Daza lalong-lalo na pagdating sa kanyang mga wedding speech. Kaya naman inabangan nga ng lahat kung ano nga ba ang kanyang message sa newlywed na sina Aba at si Luch. At talaga namang hindi nga rin niya tinigilan na mapaiyak ang newlywed couple pati na rin patawanin ang lahat ng mga guests. Halika at panoorin natin ang ilan sa mga video clips ganap na kanilang ibinahagi.
Do you have tissue, Belle? No. Belle.
Belle?
Belle. It's your turn. Let's go, Belle. Did you walk na ba, Belle? Kanina? Slowly, slowly.
Look at each other.
Kiss. It's a tie. It's a tie. It's a tie.
You're like, hablas español? She's like, poquito. But she basically only could speak Spanish when she was drunk. Money well, ano lang? Money well. That changed my perspective on life forever. You know, at 25, I learned from my baby sister that not everything in life revolves around money and fame and what other people thought. But it's about relationships that you nurture. And it was such a bitter pill to swallow because I like money. Ava is exactly the same. I go to Poblacion and people talk to me like, you're Ava's sister? I love Ava! I'm like, no. And I was telling Ava, I was like, how can they be your best friends if they're not coming to your wedding? They're so rude. So pissed, right? And I was like, that's what being a best friend is. You have to understand where they are in their lives. And, you know, it's not always about you. And I was like, it's not? No. Let's talk about Luch. Take off your shirt, Luch. I remember the time that Luch told me he fell in love with Ava. It was such a sweet story. He picked up Ava in the car and he was driving, and there happened to be a flute in the car. And Ava looks at the flute and was like, oh, I don't want to play. He was like, talaga?
Oh my gosh.
So she picks up the flute
Oh my god.
and she plays the Bayang Magiliw on her neck. And he was driving and he looked and she was like blowing the rhythm on her nose and she was like, she's so warm. Life is gonna be. That changed my perspective on life forever. You know, at 25, I learned from my baby sister that not everything in life revolves around money and fame and what other people. And I was telling Ava, I was like, how can they be your best friends if not coming to your wedding? You're so rude. You're so pissed, right? And I was like, that's what being a best friend is.
Kiss mama? Kiss mama? Thank you for my kiss. Okay, kiss mama in the lips, in the lips. Thank you. And ilang taon ka na? Ilang taon ka na? Ilang taon ka na? Wow.
Anong masasabi nyo mga kachika? Just comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe!